Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas with your loved ones or with who you ever spend it with. And wishing you guys a happy new year. I am still waiting for the winner to message me back. I emailed you on a couple times already. Let me know so I can send out your gift, your prize. But I haven't been posted anything lately because, as you guys can see, I'm in a new environment. I did move. I My situation that I was living in, um, you know, changed. So for the better, thank the Lord. I'm happy and living life. I I currently got the COVID, so I'm COVID positive with COVID. Unfortunately, the only thing that I got, thank the Lord, was congestion. I was coughing on and off a little bit, and like a small pressure in my chest, but nothing too serious. But yeah, I'm currently COVID positive, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, guys, so I haven't been posted. My budgeting videos are gonna change because now I have a whole ass apartment that I have to pay for and a whole lot of stuff that I'm not gonna be funding at the moment. And until my financial situation changes, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. I'll sit down and see how I'm gonna budget my finances. This time it's gonna be really tight because I know you previously know that my ex, he was the one paying most of the bills and I would be funding most of the funds. But now it all changed. Now I have a lot to fund, a lot to put as expenses and rent and stuff. And then funds, I'll try to fund it little by little, but at this moment it's hard. I did use my money to pay everything that I have here. Sorry for that shirt, but so yeah, money is tight, guys, especially now since I have COVID. But then my work did help me with couple with some hours, I think. That's what I've checked. So everything's okay. Everything's good. I am gonna make a post about Hi-Ho products. I'll leave a link down below. They were kind enough to send me their products to test out. It's amazing. I'm very excited for them. They work great. I'm so excited for them because, having that monthly gift, kind of sucks, but having a product that is environmental and you can wash after and reuse and reuse and reuse. It's amazing. And I am so happy about it. I appreciate it so much for that kind gesture and thank you. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are being safe. I hope you guys are doing okay mentally, emotionally, physically, and I'll be back when I'm ready with my budgeting videos and what I eat in a day, because honestly, guys, I haven't been eating keto. I've been eating carbs. My stomach's been feeling like shit. But yeah, until next time, take care. Bye.